So now we are going to see what are the advantages of the matrices. Matrices reduce the complicated systems of equation to a simple expression. It saves lot of times. And second thing, matrices is adaptable to the systematic method of mathematical treatment and well suited to computers. It is useful in the computational physics or computational mathematics. So that's why mainly researchers prefer the solve the problem with the help of matrices. Now we will see, we can write down the general example in terms of matrices. Suppose this is my equation number first. It's having 4 coordinates x, y, z and t. Same with equation number 2 and same with equation number 3. So I arrange these equations in the terms of matrices. You can see here all the rows describe the axis x, y, z and t of first equation. 1 is a coordinate of first equation x, 2 is a coordinate of y of the first equation, 3 is a coordinate of z in the first equation, and 5 is a coordinate of t in equation number 1. Similarly, in row 2, we write down the elements of x, y, z and t in the matrices, and in row 3, we write down the equation number 3, x, y, z and t coordinates. Okay, but when we see on the columns, we will get x axis elements of all. Okay, in y axis, all the y elements, z axis, all the z element, and in fourth column we will get t coordinates, all t coordinates, equation number 1, 2 and 3. So student, we can see here in columns we will get all x, y, z and t coordinates respectively, and on the rows we will get equation number 1, 2 and 3. So I will give you another example. Suppose this is one rectangle, it's having 4 coordinates, A, B, C, D, and the position of A is 1, 2, B is 2, 6, 3, 8, and suppose it is 0, 2. Okay, so we can write down this in terms of matrices like 1, 2, 2, 6, 3, 8, and last 0, 2. Okay, you can see here, this is suppose x position and this is the y position of the coordinates. So when we see the columns, we will get all x position of the matrices, and in column 2 all y position of the matrices, and here on rows we will get all the coordinates. A is a 1, 2, B is a 2, 6, C is a 3, 8 and D is a 0, 2. Same equation we can write down this also. Okay, when we saw row wise, we will get x and y coordinate, and when we see column wise, we will get all the points x and y values. So that type of way also we can write down. So in this module, what we have seen what is matrix, then what are the elements of the matrix, how we describe the matrix. Matrix is made up of functions or a group, or it can be in rectangular or square array. And next, what is the rows of the matrix, what is the column of the matrix, and then what is the advantages of the matrix, and lastly how we arrange our general problems in terms of matrix. Okay, I hope you have get all these terms. Thank you so much.